Number 368. What is the area of the shaded region? Feel free to pause the video if you want to try this. The area of the shaded region is going to be the difference of the area of the square minus the area of the object on the inside, that is the area of the circle. Now the area of the square, it's basically s times s, or s squared. The area of the circle is pi r squared. Now, if the radius is 7, that means that the diameter is 14. Notice that the diameter is equal to the side length of the square. So s is 14. So we're going to have 14 squared minus pi times 7 squared. Since the answer contains pi, we don't need to replace pi with 3.14. 14 squared, 14 times 14 is 196. 7 squared, 7 times 7 is 49. Therefore, the exact answer is 196 minus 49 pi. And that corresponds to answer choice D.